The main reason that most people on bikes do not overtake is because they are car drivers. They are not used to how a bike reacts, how a bike functions, how the brakes work, how the acceleration works, or their own capabilities. This is why they spend most of their time sat in traffic and do not overtake. The official way to overtake is look, indicate, look, maneuver. It doesn't matter how fast you overtake, whether you're doing 100 miles an hour or 20 miles an hour, that is how you are supposed to do it. You also have to bear in mind you've got to keep an eye out for a lot of things. At this point, my mind is thinking, I'm going to overtake. And in a fraction of a second, I have to work out what could come out of the side of the road, from the trees, from the other tree line, both sides, what's going to come out and can hit me. A deer, a pheasant, they are evil, they want to commit suicide. Children, aliens, lions, tigers, and bears, oh my. You have to consider what can come around the bend from the blind bend in front of the car. How much of a distance do I have to complete the maneuver? You have to work out how fast the car is going in front, how fast I am going, how quickly I can drop a gear and accelerate. You also have to work out if a car comes around a blind bend coming towards you on the wrong side of the road, doing double the speed limit, which is 60 in this road. Do I have a get out of jail free card like heading into a ditch so I don't get killed? You have to work all of this out in a fraction of a second as you drop gear. The main thing that I look for when overtaking is what is happening inside the car I'm going to overtake. Are there kids running around on the back seat? Is the woman giving the guy a blowjob? Are they having an argument? Is the person smoking weed? Is he actually distracted? Is he focused on what he's doing? Is he looking in his mirrors at me? If he's just driving normally or she is just driving normally, you can just nip past and just slightly clip their wing mirror, getting that close. If they're distracted, they could panic and swerve. If they're being screamed at, they can panic and swerve. If they're staring constantly in their rearview mirror, they'll probably swerve into you on purpose. Because you get a lot of people that do this because they know all they have to do is say, I didn't see him, and they won't get anything more than a couple of points on their license for killing someone. And now I should show you how I deal with this little maneuver. Drop a gear, accelerate, look, go across. Nice, safe maneuver. The car drivers are probably thinking, you nearly got killed, you're going to kill. No, I didn't. I had several meters between me and both cars. I knew exactly how fast I can go, how fast I can accelerate, and I knew exactly the limitations of other vehicles. The speed limit was 30. The car coming towards me was on the wrong side of the road doing double the speed limit, and yet I had no trouble at all in avoiding it. If I were to have had a car doing even faster or even more aggressively on the wrong side of the road, I had my get out of jail free card, which meant I could have spun straight across and gone to the grass verge. End of the day, the main thing to remember, look, indicate, look, maneuver. At least this way, anybody behind you who's about to try and carve you up or overtake as well knows what you're doing. Look in your mirrors, just in case somebody else is trying to overtake you.